Ready. Keep it clean on the tone. Alright, here we go. As they come across the strike, looks like you got Martin Chris and Lou. We got a pile up at the strike. Looks like it's got all sorted out. Martin, Lou, Pete, Mark, Glenn is your top three. So your leader going down the straightaway right now, working his way in front of the driver and Lou right in tow. Pete Jr.'s trying to catch his way back up. Looks like you got Andrew Hartman and Mark Rashad. Running fourth and fifth, Daniel running sixth, Patrick seventh, Glenn. Alright, Pete having a little trouble. Alright, Barry Schwartzman and Martin Chris. Alright, Andrew's up to third. He's coming up quick behind 2 and 3. Martin Chris, the top car coming down the straightaway right now. Glenn, your leaders are coming up on you. Thank you. Alright, thank you. Let's see. Daniel's in fourth, Mark's in fifth. Here come your leaders once again. Looks like Luke takes over the lead from Martin. Andrew's right there looking to pound as they're going down the straightaway. Martin has a rollover at the end of the straight. That's going to... Alright, looks like we got Andrew in the lead now as he's going down. Here he comes, working his way in front of the driver's stand. Across the strike. Andrew, Martin, Lou, Daniel, Mark, Pete, Glenn, and Patrick is in running order. Alright. Alright, Daniel moves up to second. Martin Chris is right on his heels. Andrew's getting a little loose. That's going to allow Martin and Daniel to get by. There they come in the middle section, work their way to the straightaway. Andrew's just looking nice and smooth and fast. There he goes. There we go down the straightaway. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lou and Andrew having a bit of a bobble. That's going to give Daniel the go ahead. He's down the straightaway right now. Lou, Andrew, and Martin working in the center section. Andrew flipping a board. Mark Rashad moves up to number 4 now. He's still in the mix. Top 6 drivers are all still on the lead lap. Daniel getting a little loose. That gives Martin the go ahead for the lead. Looks like we got Lou, Martin, Daniel for your top 3. We got 2:40 left to go. Pete Jr. is going to move up to the number 2 spot now. He's in the extra exiting straightaway right now. Daniel, Pete, Lou, Martin, Andrew. Daniel flipping the board at the beginning of the straightaway. Pete right in tow. That's going to move him closer. That's your battle for the lead right now. In front of the driver's stand, coming across the loop into the middle section to the straightaway. Martin Chris catching back up. Lou and Andrew still in tow. Top 6 are still all on the lead lap. Alright, once again, here comes your leader exiting the straightaway. Mark Chris is in the number 2 spot, followed by Pete, Lou, Andrew. Here it comes. Andrew having a little bobble. That's going to give 3 and 4 a little bit of room. Alright, here comes your leader in front of the driver's stand to the loop right now. Oh, Pete having a bit of a roll. Daniel, Martin, Pete, Lou, Andrew, Glenn, Patrick, Mark Jet rounding out your field. All right, Mark Chris taking over the lead from Daniel. We got 1 minute left to go. It's still going to be anybody's race. Andrew Hartman running in number 3. He's coming up strong to your leader. That's working way to the straightaway right now. Glenn, you have the leader. Thank you. There we go. All right. Glenn, Patrick, and Barker on laps of their own. Martin, Daniel, Andrew, Pete, Luke, Glenn. Martin stretching out a bit of the lead now. He's exiting the straightaway as Daniel's working his way to the straightaway right now. Andrew's still running in number 3 spot. Pete 4th, Luke 5th. There's Pete and Luke battling as they go on the straightaway. Pete catches the board a little bit. That's going to give Luke the go-ahead for the number 4 spot. That clock, Andrew's done, Luke's done, Pete's done, Glenn's done, Martin's done, Patrick's done.